DoneDeal's new Reserve Online feature lets buyers place a deposit to secure a car they're interested in. It gives buyers peace of mind and it shows dealers who's a high quality lead even when the showroom is closed. DoneDeal has partnered with Irish transaction platform Trustap to bring this feature to life. All deposits are securely handled by Trustap, so once your account is set up, the process runs smoothly in the background. To enable the Reserve Online feature, please contact your DoneDeal account manager who can do this for you. Once set up, whenever you create a new ad, the reservations option will be automatically selected. You do have the option to update the reservation amount from the default on each listing if you wish. When a buyer places a deposit on one of your cars, you'll receive an email or a WhatsApp notification at your dealer hub registered address or phone number. From there, you can accept or cancel the deposit. Just click the relevant option in the email. If you cancel, Trustap will automatically refund the deposit to the buyer. If you accept, Trustap will securely hold the funds while you and the buyer arrange next steps, such as a showroom visit or a test drive. Once you're happy that the sale has been agreed, return to the confirmation email and click Confirm Handover to release the funds from Trustap into your account. Only do this once you're happy that the sale is agreed. If you haven't already created a Trustap account, you'll need to do so before you can receive payments. The following steps will ensure you are set up. After you confirm handover, Trustap will send you a confirmation email. Within this, click Add Personal and Bank Details. Follow the prompts to enter your personal, banking, and identification details. This is required to process your payment, and the verification details are standard for financial institutions to ensure compliance and prevent financial crime. All data is stored securely and treated with strict confidentiality. Registration only needs to be done once, so once you have registered, you don't need to do so again. Once registration is complete, Trustap will transfer funds to your bank account after a 24-hour resolution period has passed. And that's it. You've successfully completed your first reservation.